we're gonna make a short video how I balanced wheels DIY at home. So you need a few things to balance them and to check them if they're true. So we start, there's a little kit there you can get so that you can fix on a paddock stand. So it's like two holders with the wheel bearings. They come with a long bar and with adjustable cone shape fixings on each side, so you can put the wheel through and kind of tighten it up, and then you can easily spin it. So what I made as well, the little wire, so that will tell me how true the wheel is. It's all done easy. So the whole idea to balance the wheel, you just spin it, and when it settles, it obviously settles the bottom part be the heaviest. So now I actually threw the weight on that already. If we take it off, that weight, so you can see this is the heavy part. If I leave it alone, it will eventually wants to move down. So if we leave it here, you can see it try and go down by itself onto the heaviest part. So what you do, you take the opposite side of the wheel and you fix the weight. Just fix it with the little I don't know, solid tape or something like a temporary, and put a wheel again 90 degrees. If it's still trying to go back, obviously you haven't got enough weight. If it goes the other way, that's mean you have too much weight. So just play with that until you get 100% like enough weight, and it would stay in any position like so. That's the wheel balanced. Now we're gonna check how true the wheel is, because little buckles you can fix it up. So I'm using Sealy the spoke wrench, which is going to be different size of spokes and the little handle, so you can adjust them. So, and okay, this one of them fits anyway. Yeah, here we go. So basically the same idea. So this wheel is a little bit where's that? On the one side it needs to be pulled in, and basically the way it works, if you want the wheel move left or right, so if you tighten like every second spoke, that will pull the wheel that way and loosen these ones, so that particular section will move slightly bit. If you want to come this way, you do opposite, you loosen them up this ones and tighten this one, so will pull that way. Now if you have a buckle in the wheel, like it's an egg shape, so to pull this part down, obviously like you pick the spot where it's not right, the egg shaped, and if you want to pull that down, you use 3 spokes, tighten them up, all of them, and that will pull the wheel down. And the same if you need to let it out, you loosen them up and let it out. And that's the, in theory, that's the way it's done, I guess. So I'm going to check this wheel through, and yeah, and then we'll see if any use. Right, so let's start again. So. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you balance the wheel at home. All cheap stuff.